welcome back to another video. For those that are newly subscribed to the YouTube channel, my name is Talasi, and welcome to my business Talasi's Detailing, where this YouTube channel is featuring everything about my detailing business and all the stuff in between that as well. I'm trying to create loads of different, not only on detailing but general car stuff as well. Today you're joining me at my detailing unit. For those that have been keeping up to date with the progress, I've been doing loads of work at the detailing unit, trying to get up to a standard and trying to get it ready for something else that we're launching very soon. I've been putting a man cave in the back of it and making a few changes just to make it look completely different compared to what it was. We're finally at a position now where we're showing you what the unit's looking like. We've done loads of work to it, spent a bit of money getting it all sorted out, as you would have been keeping up to date with the stories and the previous YouTube videos, with the bar build, the man cave, the shop, and all the other stuff in between. Like I say, we're in a position now to show you exactly what's going on in there and what we've been doing, and talk to you a little bit about exactly what we're going to be doing from now onwards. We've finished off the floor, we've done all the painting in the unit, we've added a load of sockets, and it is looking completely different now compared to what it was like before. It was looking a bit tired, a little bit had it, and I'm really happy with the progress that everyone's done on the unit, not only myself, but all the other people that I'll shout out in between. Obviously my unit's in behind me now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what it's looking like just so you can see, and I'll talk to you about exactly what's been going on in there, and show you some before photos and videos of exactly what it was like before as well. We have been using the unit to work out from in the last couple of days, so it is a little bit messy. We do need a bit of a clean up. We do apologise for that. I wish I did get this video out sooner, but we've just been too busy to try and get it out. So I'm going to get the shutter up and then I'll show you exactly what it's looking like. Detailing unit here at Talasi's Detailing. It's looking completely different and I'm absolutely over the moon with the progress of this unit. So to step through to show you exactly what's been going on in this unit, and I'll put up some before videos and some before photos as I'm talking through as well, just so you can see what's been done. So over to my left, you'll see that we've put up the tool storage wall for all the products and the machine polishing equipment and the ceramic coatings. And we've also put up a shelf just for general bits, mainly cups of tea and cameras and keys and all that sort of stuff. We've got an area for the blow dryer, we've got this IKEA storage unit, and as you can see, it's looking a lot more organised. Like I said, we have been using this over the last couple of days, so we do need a bit more proper sort out. I did try and get the video out sooner, but like I said, we've just been a bit caught up, so I didn't manage to get it out. As we come to the unit, obviously you can see the floor's been painted as well in a resin paint, which looks a lot better, makes it look a lot bigger and a lot cleaner as well. We do need to do another coat on this at some point, just so we can give it another nice clean finish, a bit more of a durable surface, but for now it's looking a lot better. We just need to figure out a week or so where we can leave it to fully dry. You would have seen in the previous videos we painted all the walls grey, so the lower halves are now grey, which looks really nice. Andrew Circum, AS Electrical, has come in and put all sockets along the wall. So now we've got 4 double sockets, which makes it a bit easier to machine polish, hoover and all that sort of stuff, and he's done a really nice job. And Andy at AS Electrical has also done a few bits in the man cave as well, which I'll show you in a minute. We put up some shelves over at the back, just for some products and also some more storage, so where we charge all our cameras, our scan grip, and also a section for our tea as well. We're going to be using this shelf for some products, so we've got some bits on sale there just to show you exactly what we've got. So we've got one of the vertical dryers, and we've also got a section down at the bottom for all of the wheel brushes and stuff like that. So you would have seen, for the day one subscribers and followers on the Instagram, you would have seen exactly what the shop was like before. It was upstairs at one point, and then we spread it all out down here at one point, and now it's all at the back. Before we show you the back properly, we'll just turn around and show you exactly what's been going on this side. So that's the window tint stand, so ignore that, that's just what we use to put the window film on there to be able to cut it with. We've got a whiteboard there just to be able to put a few things up, exactly what we're doing, any reminders that we need to do, and that will also come in handy for something else that we're launching very soon, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So everything just looks a lot tidier compared to what it was like before. Obviously with the floor, it looks a lot bigger, it looks a lot cleaner, and we're really happy with that. We put a couple of shelves up over there for some storage of some of the cleaning equipment. We do need to tidy that area a bit up because we have been painting, so we do need to give that area a bit of a tidy up, but it's looking a lot cleaner. So it's not like a great deal to show you, but it's just showing you the progress that we've made, and I just thought it's ready to announce now. Now it's all done, I can finally get up some photos of cars in the unit, and it's good to go sort of thing. But I'm really happy with it compared to what it was like before. It was all white, no sockets on that side, it was black floor that was hanging. Now it's really nice with the grey theme, all the sockets, and the light grey floor as well, which is looking really nice. So as we come through here, this is obviously the man cave that I've been talking about and the shop area. So obviously we've had vinyl put down that we would have seen. We've moved all of the storage compartments in here for all of the products. Now, like I said, we've only just finished this really, so I do need to restock on products, so we are going to be doing that in the next week or so. It's going through all the products, restocking, and we will be uploading or updating the website, the online shop, which is talasisdetailing.shop, with all of the products. That website is currently not live at the minute because obviously we haven't been using it, and we haven't been, the shop hasn't been open, so we haven't been able to update it. So we will be updating that once all the products and that are updated and we have ordered more. But back here it's looking a lot better. Back when I first said about doing the man cave and the unit build, everything I said about I've pretty much done. So all the shops back here, I've got some shelving that I said about in the first video. I've put a model car shelf up as well, which looks really nice, which I do want to get a few model cars and stuff like that to put up there, because I do think it will be really nice. We've also got some shelving up there for some of the little accessories. So we've got the Sam's Detailing Cola, we've got some snow film lanterns, some grit guards. We've got all of the product bottle holders. We've got a wide range of products. Like I say, we do need to restock. We've got the Sam's Detailing range, and then obviously if we turn around, we have the bar, and obviously we've got the big TV on the wall showing one of my recent videos. And if you haven't already seen that, please do go check it out. So I said about doing the bar, you would have been keeping up to date with that. Well, when I say we, it's actually my dad. My dad's done most of the work in here, like putting all the shelves up. He's done quite a bit and he's absolutely smashed it. He built the bar, so we've got a bar enough for 2 people. We've got a section for me around the back. This will be a place for customers to chill, so if they're waiting for their car and it's an hour or something like that, they can come in here, they can chill, and it'll just be quite a nice place to just come and chill out. We're also going to be doing a couple of like open days this year, so it'll be a nice place for just people to come in and chill away from that. And I do want to start doing podcasts as well with some like influential people, where it's like owners of the detailing brands, business owners, anything like that. It doesn't have to be necessarily to do with detailing, but just anything to do with business in general, or people's general life. I think it would be really cool to start doing podcasts, and I mentioned that at the beginning of the year as well. Here we have the sort of memorabilia wall. You will have to excuse this. In the last video I said about I need to get some blue tack to try and straighten these up, because every time you sort of move around they do move, and I still haven't got around to sorting that out. So that's sort of my wall of achievements and stuff for me to sort of like manifest my other dreams that I want to do from here onwards. So you can see some certificates, some old business flyers, and business cards and just some old stuff just to help keep me motivated and realise exactly how far I've come from to where I am today. I'm really happy with it back here. This is obviously my favourite bit because we can use it as a chill area for ourselves and chill area for customers, and it does look a lot better. I love the grey theme throughout. We've boxed in all the electrics and we've also added more electrics in here thanks to Andy Circum Airs Electrical. So I'm really happy with it back here. I just want to thank Andy Circum Airs Electrical for sorting out the electrics, Lewis MJS Group for sorting out the paint and the plasterboard for the wall, the ceiling even, and all the other bits in between that you've helped me out with. And mate Jordan for sorting out the vinyl, he sorted it out and fitted that, which has been really cool. Obviously my dad for coming in and absolutely spending a ridiculous amount of hours sorting all this place out, putting all the stuff up, helping with the bar, doing all the shelves and all that sort of stuff in between. He's absolutely smashed that in that sense. If there's anyone else that I forgot to thank, I'll put obviously in the comments down below, because there probably is a couple of other people that I need to thank for doing some work here. Because there's things that I've got sort of cheaper discount on through the fact of knowing people and people sorting stuff out. So I'm really happy with how the unit's looking. It looks a lot cleaner for other people. It looks a lot cleaner for other people coming in, and it makes it look a little bit better for photos. And I think it will pay off. We are looking at announcing something else in June. So now we're into June, we are looking at announcing something else that we've been working on for the last 6 months or so, which I'm really looking forward to announcing, and that's part of the reason why the unit's being done like this. So if you have any ideas and you think you know what it may be, then please do comment down below. But we will be announcing that over the next couple of weeks, hopefully, all being well with all the plans and everything else that we've been doing in between. I think it'll pay off. We've spent a lot of money here trying to sort this out, and this new venture we've also spent a lot of money trying to do, and trying to get it up to a reasonable standard where people want to come down and people want to sort of represent themselves with Talasi's detailing, which is what I want. So obviously please do let me know what you think of the unit. I've sort of made this video quite, well, shorter than my other ones because I just wanted to show you around it and then keep everyone up to date with exactly what's going on, and just showing you the progress of the unit. There will be a couple of things that I'll be doing like in between. Got a couple of bits to sort out upstairs in the main office and a couple of bits to sort out there. But for the time being, I think we've done what we can to get it to a reasonable enough standard, and I'm happy with where it is. And I don't think there's too much else to really do down on the main stage of the unit, which is obviously the most important part. And I'm not going to be here forever, so there's no point going too mad on it either. But it's been a lot of time, a lot of money that's gone into this. I'm really optimistic, and I think it is definitely going to work out. So like I said, a lot of time and money's gone into this, and this has all been stuff that I've worked really hard to and get done as well. I've spent a lot of Sundays and a lot of evenings trying to sort it all out, and there's a lot of man hours that have gone into this to sort it out, which means obviously a lot of money's been spent on it as well. This is not something that I've just been given to be able to do. This is something that I've genuinely worked hard to get, and it has took a lot of my time over the last couple of weeks and last couple of months to get it to this point. So I appreciate it's not anything too mega, but to me this is a big achievement, and I'm really happy that it's paid off, and I really hope it pays off from this point onwards. Because like I say, we're all pretty tired from sorting this place out. There's been a lot of hours into it. I've spent a lot of time on my Sundays and in my spare time trying to get it to a point where I'm happy with. And it's all stuff that I've been earning over the last few months. I've been reinvesting back into the business, and I'm hopeful that it will pay off, and I'm sure it will. So I know there's a few people on here that are obviously newly starting up and newly investing their money into the business and thinking if it's going to pay off. There's sometimes where you put money in and it's your own money, and you're worried about if it is going to pay off, and I'm sure it will, and you just got to be hopeful that it will. But you just got to make sure that that risk versus reward, that the reward's even bigger than the risk. And like I was saying, this is built, it's not been bought, it's all stuff that we've had to work hard for, and we've really had to put the hours in over the last couple of months to get it to this point. And I'm more grateful that as well, because it's actually something that I've worked hard to get. I'm more grateful for what's come out of this place, and what it can achieve from here onwards. So, and the other thing I want to mention is, I mentioned before in my other video about the money side of it. It's not cost a ridiculous amount to get it to this point. There are some areas that we've skimped out with to try and be able to still make it nice but not go too mad on it at the same time. So all the stuff from the bar was, most of the woodwork and stuff we've reused from the van. We've had really good people around us to sort us out cheaper deals on stuff. So Andy sorted me out a really good deal on sorting all the electric out. Lewis MJS Group sorted me out with the paint and the plasterboard. We've got the vinyl cheap and the fitting cheap and stuff like that. So it has worked out knowing a few people who can help us out along the way. So that has been really good. Like I say, we haven't gone too mad, but it's enough just to make it look really nice at the same time. But that being said, we still have spent quite a bit of money out, and I'm sure it will pay off. I really do hope that you like what we've done with the unit, and I'm really looking forward to getting a few people down in the near future for any events and podcasts as well. If there's anyone that you'd be interested in coming down to see or watch or listen to, then please do let me know, because I'll be more than happy to look into different people to go on the podcast, because that is something I want to start doing, maybe once a month, do a podcast, maybe even create a separate YouTube channel alongside it to try and get some more content out on that. But I'm going to wrap it up now, because otherwise I'll end up waffling on for ages, and then my short video will end up being a long video. I really do hope that you've liked watching this, and I really do hope that you've enjoyed seeing the progress on the unit. If there's anything else you'd like to see, do let me know. We will obviously include a montage of everything that's been gone into the unit, just so you can see that as well. Do please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out all of our social medias, Talasi_detailing or Talasi_May. Keep up to date with all the progress on there, because there is some stories that we put on there that we don't necessarily put up on YouTube, and vice versa as well. So please obviously do keep up to date with everything that we're doing in that sense. Please do subscribe, give it a like, share around if you can, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Ciao.